Hello crocheters, meet our signature design. I call it Mekina footwear signature design. So today I'll be sharing with you the pattern. Actually it's in written form, so after that I'll walk through the other rest. So when you have achieved this, following the guide on the written pattern in the description box, you will have to extend or increase this particular place and here, and also the tip of it. So just as I've done here and also here, and as you can see the tongue is stiff. So what we're going to do is just adding and working through it. Okay, so we will insert our hook here and add yarn to it. So what we are trying to do is, because this is thin, is not going to be nice on the footwear, so we will be increasing the, let's say, the strap, so that it turns out very nice. Okay, so just go ahead and work this all till the end of it. So here we are, this is the strap. I've increased it. So if you're okay with it this way, you can just leave it. If you're not, you can continue the other side of the strap. Okay, we are trying to expand it now. So just a single crochet all through till the end of this place. Okay, so that's all we are going to do to expand this so that it looks beautiful on the leg. So now this is the end of this, as you can see. So all we have to do is just trim off the yarn with our lighter and fasten it off. Okay, so that is for this. So if you have successfully made the maple leaf following the written pattern, this is just the next step you have to do. Okay, because this is for a footwear, it needs to be bold. All right, so now after doing this, we'll go ahead and do this other side of it, then the tongue. All right, so I'll go ahead and do this one, and we will do the tongue together just as we did the rest. Okay, so now I've done this one and also this one. This tongue, we are not going to work single crochet on it. All we have to do is just slip stitch on it till the end so that it will stiffen. So insert your hook into the part the work already, then slip stitch all along till the end. That is just that. So we just work our way up, making sure that it's tight. Okay, because what we're trying to achieve is for the tongue to be safe, so that it stays in place while on the leg, on the feet, whichever. So we'll just slip stitch till the end of this. All right, so now we are at the end of it. As you can see, it looks more firm now, unlike before. So now we are going to leave a very long yarn. Okay, just a loose yarn. We're going to leave it on the work. Don't trim it off, we'll be needing it later. So now this pattern is ready for a footwear. All you have to do now is just add a tongue pipe to the tongue of the pattern, and we will last it. Okay, so the measurement for the tongue is 2.5 centimeters. So we'll take a measurement of 2.5 centimeters and cut it. So after cutting it, you use it to cut this next one because it's 2. All right, so 2.5 centimeter measurement. Okay, so now this is how you fix it. There is nothing there. So 2.5 is the actual measurement, or the recommended length for this tongue pipe, especially for female footwears. All right, so now we are done with this. All we're going to do is prepare our sole and use it to last our footwear. So I'll be using this platform. It's a very high platform for my footwear. It's a personal footwear anyway. So what we're going to do is to take the insole and make some measurements. All right, so let's set this one aside and take our measurement on the insole. Okay, so this size is size 40. So now what we are going to do is from the tip of our insole inward, we measure 4.5 centimeter, like so. Then from here to this other side is 3 centimeter. Okay, so this measurement is where the tongue will go in for our big toe. Okay, so we'll be punching hole on this point we just made now. So we use punch to open it up. Now we'll take a measurement from here inward. I later change it to 9 centimeter instead of this 3-inch that I measured here. Okay, so go ahead and measure 9 centimeter. That is where the back strap is coming. So from here to here 4.5, from here to here 3 centimeter. Then this is where we'll punch hole. Then you know that the tongue, there is extra strap by the side, so we're going to take a measurement here and here. So this is for this small strap. Okay, so the measurement from that tongue hole down is 2 centimeter. That's to the big toe side. Then to the small toe side is 2.5 centimeter. So this is what we need for the measurement. So everything is now in place. Here to here 4.5, here to here 3 centimeter, here to here 2 centimeter, then here to here 2.5 centimeter. Okay, then here to up here is 9 centimeter. That's the measurement. So now we will punch our hole, apply adhesive to our vamp and also our sole. Okay, then couple it together. Now everything is dried, so we'll be using the marks we made to last this footwear. If it's yours, go ahead and use your leg to last it. If it's not yours, use the appropriate shoe last for it. This design is actually for big sizes. That's from size 39, 40, 41 and 42. Okay, so just by this mark we made here, you fix this way. Okay, then this other big side, you also just by the mark there, you fix this one too. Okay, so after that you fix the back one just like this. Okay, so everything stays in place. That is that. Okay, this is the back, and we still have our loose yarn or thread there, so we'll be using it later. Okay, so make sure everything stays in pretty nice when you are done fixing the vamp to the insole. So now what we are going to do is use this loose thread or loose yarn to guide this behind. We're going to stitch it all together. Okay, you can do this with your crochet hook just as I have done. So this will help the footwear stay in place without moving. Okay, so it's now to just fix it to our outsole like this, and you are done. Okay, so go ahead and fix your own like as well. So this is the result of our work, and as you can see, it's looking pretty. This is actually nature inspired. As you saw, it's a maple leaf, and I so much love this design, and I hope you're going to try it. The written pattern is in the description box, and if you have any question regarding it, go ahead and chat me. Maybe someday I'll make a detailed video on how to crochet this footwear. Alright, this is how pretty it looks on my leg. It is actually my footwear, and I hope you're going to try it, and if you do like it, share for others to see. Bye.